tayo dito sa Kababayan Today. Kasama natin si Kenneth Barles, isang fashion designer. Kenneth, we were talking before we went to break. What's your messages for the families that are watching that may have someone in the family that is, you know, experiencing the same thing of being scared, not being able to either tell their parents about, you know, who they are? Anong masasabi mo sa mga pamilyang yon? Kasi lalo na sa'yo, sinasabi mo, di ba, your mom is very Christian.
Yeah, very strict. So I guess you just have to be who you are as a person kasi you're living your own life. I think that's the basic talaga. You're living your own life. So no matter what other people say, they need to respect it.
Yeah.
And then for a family members also na are trying to have a hard time na parang tanggapin na you're part of the LGBTQ community, just love your family member that it's also part of that. Kasi hindi nila, I think the first thing is, hindi nila pinili to be part of that. They were chosen. So I think for me, just enjoy that you are part of that community because you're special.
Absolutely. And we're here to celebrate Kenneth Barles because he is giving us so much pride being Filipino, and at the same time you're doing so well in your chosen field. Isa po siyang fashion designer. Let's talk about your life as a fashion designer. Kailan mo nalaman na ito talagang gusto mong gawin?
Nakakatawa ito dahil I think I growing up, hindi talaga ako nagsisketch, hindi ako nagtatahi kasi I'm always focused in education. Talaga sa school lang talaga ako, and I wanted to be a doctor. Kasi that's yung, alam mo yung ganun talaga yung parents ko na they put that on my mind. So I mean, I found out na gusto kong maging designer siguro like 4 years ago.
Okay, so very recent.
Very recent. So nung 4 years ago, so that's doon ako natutong mag-sketch kasi talagang nag-research na ako, and then I went to FIDM na. So talagang it's a whole process, and the whole yung parang journey ko talaga to be a designer is nandun.
Okay, so tell us how you're preparing for this November 7th fashion show that's happening. I know that it's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work.
Okay, so let's talk about that. What are you doing to prepare for this event?
You know, I think preparing for my own show is totally different from just being part of a show. Kasi pati dito in producing the whole entire fashion show, kasama ako, involved ako. So talagang hindi lang dahil sa collection ko as a designer ako nagfo-focus, also the whole productions, paano lalabas yung models, like talaga ang dami-dami.
Hands-on ka talaga sa lahat.
Ako, sa lahat. I mean lahat. So preparation-wise, talagang from siguro morning till night or another day, the following day, should I say, talagang sunod-sunod lang yan. Talagang never-ending preparation.
Oo.
Yeah.
Pero alam mo, ang pag-passionate ka talaga sa trabaho mo, parang anak eh, di ba? Yung concept mo, lahat talagang involved ka, di ba?
That is so true. That is so true.
Oo.
Yeah.
Okay, so talk to us about the event. Where is it going to be?
So it's gonna be in San Diego, California. So it's gonna be November 7th. So Friday, this Friday coming up. And it's going to be in Lafayette Hotel. And the red carpet starts at 5:30 in the afternoon. And can I have Jessica Sanchez? I mean, Jessica Sanchez is going to be one of our guests.
Oh, wow!
Yes.
Ang galing naman. I know that I had a guest here, si Janine Tagonon, and she was wearing your beautiful red dress.
Yes.
So it's amazing to me that you just recently became a fashion designer, and now you're mounting your own show. You know, all these amazing models are wearing your collection, and as you can see, I mean, exquisite detail, and ang ganda talaga ng iyong vision for your work. If someone were to ask you, okay, what is the difference between Kenneth Barles and all the other designers? Anong masasabi mo? Ano yung uniqueness mo bilang designer?
Siguro ang magiging uniqueness ko from the other designers is I'm in a modern, younger generation right now, so I'm more risque. So hindi ko iniisip kung magkakamali ako or hindi. Ang iniisip ko lang is to do what I believe is right, and I'm going for it. You know, wala akong rules na fina-follow in terms of
hindi ko pwedeng gawin yan. Ito. So you're very experimental with your
experimental, that is correct.
Diba?
Yes.
And at the same time, you like to have fun. We can see that in your collection.
Thank you.
Diba? So, saan natin magagamit yung mga damit mo? Pang red carpet lang ba ito?
We have two different kinds of collection actually. So meron akong couture, which is purely red carpet. Especially the red carpet seasons is coming up again. And then of course the bridal. So most of our clients talaga, they're coming for us for our bridal collection. Dahil they want a one-of-a-kind piece. Gusto nila yung mga talagang detailed and hand embroidery in almost every single thing. So
Okay, so yung production mo ba, ginagawa mo dito?
we have both productions in the US and also in the Philippines.
Ay, ang galing.
Yeah.
You're employing our Filipinos in the
We're trying.
Philippines. Maraming salamat,
Thank you
Kenneth,
so
for
much.
sharing your inspiring story here on Kababayan
Thank
today.
you for having
It's
me.
so important that we show our audience that there are lots of people in the LGBTQ community that are following their dreams, that are being true to themselves, and we're here to celebrate them. Maraming salamat,
Thank
Kenneth.
you.
And don't forget, his show is happening this Friday. To get more details, you can go to his website. Please tell us about it.
KennethBarles.com.
Alright, maraming salamat at magbabalik tayo dito sa Kababayan Today.